Hello, this is a quick tutorial on how to install and use Zoom conference platform. Usually you receive a link via email or you receive the meeting ID number. And sometimes the host might give you a password. But this is what you get, a link. You just click the link. After clicking the link, it says when system dialog prompts open link. Now for me this did not happen, so it says otherwise download and run Zoom. So if you do not have the application, you have to download the application. It's a small app, so you go download and it says save file. So you save the file. Okay, I save it, and then you need to run that application. You go up here to download and click Zoom. Yeah, I click on it, opens up, and now it installs the application. So I'm using Windows 10. If you're using a Mac, it's the same thing. It says enter your name, right? You click join meeting. Please wait, the meeting host will let you in soon. So this means that the host who made the meeting has to approve you entering the room. Okay, so you do not have anything else to do than wait a bit. If it doesn't approve you, give him a call or an email or something, you know. Or sometimes it might say, please wait, the meeting will start soon. That means the meeting did not start, okay? And it will show you the time when it starts. Alright, so now I'm in. You also click join with audio, computer audio. I'm on the meeting. I'm actually hearing myself on the other computer, and I have to mute. In the left lower part you have unmute, start video. This is the buttons you will start your video or mute your microphone. If they are cut with one red line, it means they are cut off, they're off. So in some meetings you will see that the host doesn't allow you to unmute yourself. So that's an option of the host. And if you cannot unmute, you have to request the host to give you unmute. Now what happens is on the other computer I share the screen, you see. So I just share the screen on Chrome browser, and if the person is live, you will see the other person. If they don't share anything, they don't start video, they don't share the screen, you'll just see a picture or profile picture of that person. And you can go here to participants in the middle of the screen. You see participants, see, so you have 2 participants on this meeting. Then you have chat. Go to chat and you can write hello all, and this check out if this is to, yes, so who are you sending this to? Everyone, or to you can privately send messages to any of the participants on the call. Yeah, so maybe you want to ask something to the host, but if this is checked on a certain participant, your message will go to only that participant. Yes, good. Now what else can you do? You can record the meeting. You can click record and you record the meeting, and also you could share your screen. If you click share your screen, then it will ask, oh well, the other participant is sharing his screen, so I cannot do it at the same time, but you would choose what you want to share as a screen, as an application window. Okay, so that's the basic function of the Zoom meeting. You now know how to unmute yourself, start your camera, see the participant, talk with any participants, chat, yes, and also you can record. If you want to leave the meeting, there's a big red button here, leave the meeting. Okay, and if you accidentally leave the meeting, or you don't hear people anymore, then you can actually close. You go leave the meeting or close the window and go back to the link you have been given and connect back to the meeting. So hope tips helps. If you have any question, leave them in the comments below and I will respond. Have an awesome day.